Welcome. In front of me I have the Spigen case for the AirPods Pro, second generation, and today I'll take a look at this, just how it fits the actual buds and looks as well. So, that being said, this is actually empty because it's already on the buds itself, as you can see. And that being said, it actually holds pretty well. So like certain other cases which I have tested previously, some of them don't really hold all that well on the actual case itself. But this one actually does kind of hold pretty well. So it doesn't have much in terms of like slippage from it. So you can see it does hold pretty well. The bottom one a little bit less right here. As you can see, this one is like a little bit more loose when it comes down to it. So you might not actually want to utilize the clip and, like, I don't know, clip this to your belt or whatever, anything like that, because it could just eventually slip down like so. This one isn't holding as well. So if you'd want to utilize that, I would maybe recommend putting some kind of glue in here, maybe double-sided tape, and then just plopping that on here just the correct way. There we go. So plopping that on here, and then it would obviously not have much room to slip out. The top holds significantly better than the bottom for some reason, even though it's a little bit smaller. Outside of that, it is a pretty thick case, as you can see. It does have a little bit of thickness, so protecting wise, your case, no problem here. And also buttons still accessible. You can see there's a little bit of a cutout around, making it a little bit easier to press. Then at the front we do have cutout for the light, and then at the bottom we also have all the other cutouts for, not exactly sure what these two are, but obviously that's a charging port. So there we go. And you have this nice, actually nice feeling clip. So yeah, with the Spigen logo. So there we go. And obviously your case for the buds won't get as easily scratched up as it does by default, because, let's be honest, the plastic that Apple is using for these is just hilariously bad for a pair of buds that come at a premium price. Something that scratches as easily as this does after like couple days. If I can see, where's my, there we go. Looking for this just so I can showcase this. So this has been in a pocket for just a couple days, and it looks like it's been beat up for the past like couple weeks or months even. So yeah, not the best engineering by Apple, but the case obviously will protect it from that. And in addition, it looks kind of nice. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, oh, actually, before I go and do this outro kind of thingy thing, one more thing that I wanted to mention. If you use any kind of MagSafe accessories for any kind of Apple products, I have one right here just to kind of showcase this. So it kind of holds, but again, it's a little bit too thick. So if I would just place it like this, obviously it would hold at a little bit of an angle, but anything like super steep and it just kind of slips away. And I think this will be the same result for all the other cases that I have right around here. So I don't think this will differ all that much. So just wanted to mention that for people that might be interested with well, how this actually functions with MagSafe. So obviously for that you probably might want to be able to take that off, and at that point it's gonna hold significantly better, as you can see. So at this point it won't be slipping as easily. Now just to mention this, taking the bottom part off won't give you a flash contact like right here. So again, it won't be sticking super well, but it's significantly better than when this was on. So anyway, with this being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.